DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. And you see what I do to the gang? Yeah man, we're there right now. With two artists, no stranger to the channel. You see, one of them we don't react to as much as we should. But one of them react to very quite often. You see me? Today we're there, we done other than when the artists will keep the dancing part of dancehall on him back. We there none of that ding dang. You see me? We're there now with Mr. Darky, you know. You don't know we're there. We're there, Kraff Gad. You see me? We're there. The one named Benz. I'm gonna check it out and say dog I do it. You see me? I say ding dong. You know, say ding dong wicked pan the vibes, and Kraff also wicked pan the vibes. So the one I'm guessing to be a very vibesy, you see me? Vibesy track. So I'll check it out and say dog I do it. Now we'll be vibing stronger. Let's jump right now, track. Ding dong, Kraff, Bensky. Let's get it going.
Watch it prank, man. One scrub.
See that? Fully. Hot leaf, we don't need blem. Black bricks pa me feet, you know see belt. Louis V rest pa the BB then. Colonna kick mad, Arsenal. Sim pa the flash one.
Oh, but let me tell a dog. Yeah, easy. Kraff? Dog full of vibes, man. Even though a dog, which is crazy, because he is a dog, even you, but he got vibes. You see what I say? Listen, hey, let's get it, gang.
Watch it prank.
I know say when Ding Dong jump on this, it's go full of even more vibes. But let's get it.
One scrub.
See that?
Oh, but the beater, we make the beater today. The beater, but now the violin. Come in.
Fully. Hot leaf, we don't need blem. Black bricks pa me feet, you know see belt. Louis V rest pa the BB then. Colonna kick.
Hot leaf, we don't need blend. Brick pan the feet, you know see. Oh, we the bomber, man. Vibes, man. Come in, you. We can't. No more pausing, gang. We'll pull it up and no more pausing. Vibes.
Watch it prank,
Man.
One scrub.
Budo.
See that?
Budo. Come in.
Fully. Hot leaf, we don't need blem. Black bricks pa me feet, you know see belt. Louis V rest pa the BB then. Colonna kick mad, Arsenal.
Come in now, man. Colonna kick bad Arsenal. And Arsenal are Arsenal. Come in.
Funny flash one time, she dead. This a Louis V, I never Chanel. Do what me do with these, from me the kneeling. Any scene I me live, I me no need help.
It's a Louis V and a Chanel. Do anything with it for it, Eddie. Come in, you.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you know see well. One skull fly down with 3 Benz. Panavilla with us in a hand 3 friend. Who I hate Cartier, me no see them. I this in a panny beat, Jimmy sees them. Dwelling at the dark with the keys there.
A playlist tune this, you know, brother. This full of too much vibes in the dep on your playlist. How are you dep on? Eh? How are you dep on? This a for your kicker party, you know, brother. I want to dep on, bro. This is for their party. This is for their in the car. This is for their everywhere. This is a vibes tune. This is for dep on your playlist, you know. The thugs them and the girls them and everything. Yeah, man, everybody can't vibes to this, man. Come here, listen.
Brain done sort for the read them. Float off a damn car, rip
How the
free
Benz
man.
see that with every seed shop. Well, I'm a dog still a greens like vegan. Girl, they are so well like TSC man. Now buy booze for we spend.
Now full of greens like. Oh, I'm here, man. Hey, come in.
Now buy booze for we spend pan.
Oh, I'm here, girl. They are ready for do
I'm
it.
a dog still a greens like vegan. Girl, they are so well like TSC man. Now buy booze for we spend pan people.
How would them like for doing it? Come in.
He'll with V bag about 3 grand. Girl, enough of them beaches season. Ever hot like a devil, you gonna need fun. Attack high bread till you see the beast. Bad man in high party, me charge you with clarity. Send for the week.
You know, man. Love vibes. Come in.
Get you some make we start it. Me not buy them vehicle, I just a party. I live the life here before me the 40.
Now buy them vehicle off a parky. Come in, man. Burn up road. Come in.
Now we are nothing simple. Have girl a pop things like pimple. Say she love it God, but she there for the sin too. So if she come in here, fi make your friend come too.
She love God, but she there for this sin too. If she are going to make your friend. Hey! Come
Like a
Hey! Come in! Vibes, man. Come in. Vibes. Hey. Ding dong, you go on, you know. Come in.
bad man in high party, me charge you with clarity. Send for the waitress and make we start it. Me not buy them vehicle, I just a party. I live the life here before me the 40. Me no wear nothing simple.
Live life and enjoy it, man. Know yourself. You see me be yourself. Don't make people. You don't worry about people judging you. There's no, you see me, I don't see me there have fun and laugh. Nobody can feel no boy can come try me already. You see me coming.
Have girl a pop things like pimple. Say she love it God, but she there for the sin too. So if she come in, you fi make your friend come too. Make a free so I ski time. Circle the globe from me yard about 3 times. Money machine so me count on me free time. Girl make a work so me car seat recline. Girl want taste me sweet like pastry. Money you fi work with.
And tears me say me sweet like PS3. That's facts. That's facts.
Me sleep in a lazy. A billions me a make a deal lately. 3 mil for your watch gonna face me. Had the Benz ski that with every seat strap. Well I'm a dog still a greens like vegan. Girl there so we like to see.
I be my key still you know, but you don't know. We are work with it. Go on.
Man, now buy booze for we spend pan B plan. Louis V bag about 3 grand. Girl enough of them beaches see sun. Ever hot like the devil you gonna need fun. Attack hybrid till you see the beast land.
Say I talk hybrid till the beast and I road a foot, don't it? Come in, no man, portal man.
Attack hybrid till you see the beast land. Girl, they are so like to see man.
Hey, the beats are bad. The beats are bad, yo. Hey, can't forget something like that. Yo, what's that here? We don't need blame. Rick Owens pan the feet in a seat belt. I want him to, hey boy, hey. Yeah man, Bodo dope. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Vibes. Playlist tune gang, playlist tune for sure. You see me I say? Yeah, this is for everybody. You see, it's a party time, vibes time, energy up time. You see me? Yeah man, I did 2 playlists man. Ding Dong and Kraff. Yo, they were so cohesive. They make a great like collab. You know, it's a great collaboration. Dog them have the vibes for real. It was very cohesive on the track. You see me? Like they work well. You know? The vibes not drop after Kraff come on. You see me? Yeah, the drive not drop. You see me? The vibes just kept going. And just build. And the flavor and the swag and everything just dead it. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man. Bad track. I'm surprised you don't have more numbers than this really, you know. You see me? I think it only got like 100 and some thousand plays so far. I'm surprised you ain't got more numbers on that. You see me? I say it should at least by now be at least a good 500k plays personally. You see me I say? But yeah man gang, you don't know what time it is. Let me know what your favorite part is. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know so the dancing, you know. Drop your favorite let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, visuals, all that good stuff in the comment section. Let's chop it up and get a dialogue going. Also gang, right now I'm only 700 subs away from 7k subscribers and only 3k subs away from 10k. Help your boy out. Trying to hit 10k before the year done. Trying to hit 10k before January, before my birthday. If you can get me to 10k for my birthday, man, that would be great. I would appreciate y'all. Love y'all like for real, man. You see me I say? That would be great. And I appreciate the commenting and the liking and subscribing y'all been doing so far. But we can get a little more active on that. Yeah man. We lit. You see me I say? You don't know. Latest reaction channel on YouTube. You see me now ask guys. You see me I say? Yeah man, we there man, active, fully out here doing our thing man. You see me I say that mafia. Yeah man, but anyway, don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.